Check it out. Got another product here. Now, if you're like me, you guys own vinyl fences or pretty much any type of fence, and you got kids, how many times you have to yell at them, stop slamming the gate?
Stop slamming my goddamn door.
All right, or hold on to the gate before it hits the house or breaks something. That's the situation I'm dealing with, at least my household. So I went to look for a handle, and I came across this item right here. Now, I'm gonna install this. What I like about this one, again, it's rust proof because it's plastic, so there's no rough, it's not gonna corrode. And I like how it sets up on, able to put it on my gate. So guys, if you got some vinyl gates in your house or wooden gates or something, but most of all, you got kids and they don't wanna listen, all right? And you need to idiot-proof your gates. This may be something you may consider picking up, all right, to help these kids along so they don't mess up your gate, all right? I just replaced one of my gates because I kept on slamming it, so I'm hoping this help reduce the cost of replacing something because the kids just won't listen, all right? So let's do a quick open boxing. Oh, not even open boxing, I just opened the damn packages, all right? And again, guys, I put a link of this particular one. It's by D&D Technologies. All right, and it's just plastic, real hard plastic, and that's fine with me. All right, this is going inside the gate area, so it doesn't have to really be a all design. I just want something durable. Cause pretty much this just blends in the background anyway once you get used to seeing it. And as you can see, it has these little clips right here that goes right on the side of the gate, so it'll fit wherever you need to put it. We have self-tapping screws for the vinyl, and I definitely like these screws much better than the other ones. All right, so let's go put this on the gate and take a look at it. All right, so if you guys looking for some handles, this may be an option for you. So let's go around to the gate and let me get this installed. Okay, I'm at my gate now. Now I should have installed a handle a long time ago, but back then the kids were really young and it really wasn't going in and out of the gate, but they're getting older now. And it seemed the older they get, the more hard-headed they become. So teenagers, and they got preteen also. Anyway, I digress. Now this handle again, simply black plastic, and what I like about this one is these just how you just put it right on the edge right here, so you can line it up anywhere you want without worrying about, and so it'll be flush to the gate. So that's what really attracted me to this type of handle. All right, and again, this is for the interior, so when the kids open it up, they have something to grab so it doesn't go flying on those windy days. And it's easy to put in. Just put it, and they give you all the screws, the 4 screws, and you can pretty much have a screwdriver and just zip it in right now if you by yourself. But in this case, I'm gonna use one of my clamps here to make it much easier. All right, just to temporarily hold it. And got my little screw gun. And all we're gonna do is just zip it right in right now. That's simple. And again, what I like about this, again, these type of screws they give you, no need to pre-drill. All right, they'll still rip right into the plastic to help you get it locked in. So very easy to put in. So if you're a DIYer, I highly recommend have some quick clamps here to help you out, especially if you work on your own. That's it. That's in, and I'm just gonna do the other 2. And I just advise you just to shift it over, all right, when you put it in. And one more. And that's it. Very easy to put in. So do yourself a favor, guys and gals. If you have a vinyl fence and you don't have an interior handle for your fence, and you got teenagers and they always letting it swing out, get you a handle to put this sucker in. all right, to protect your fence. So what I'm gonna do now, just gonna open this up, switch it off. And that's it, very nice. All right, so it's low enough for my youngest, he can grab it, open up, and now they got a nice handle to hold on to and prevent it from swinging open. I like it. Guys, that's a quick video. I want to share it to you. All right, consider like, subscribe. Affiliate links will be below, and I greatly appreciate it. All right, check out on the next one. Hey, it's me again. All right, quick tip for your homeowners out there. Now, I gotta show you what I'm doing here. I just want to share this tip with you guys and gals. As you can see here, I have a gate that's all jacked up. All right, I was holding on with duct tape, so I broke down, finally went and bought a new gate and just got it and just installed it. Now, just to let you know, guys and gals, the reason why it broke up here because I failed to install something like this that prevents it from slamming. And having teenage kids here now, every time they go out this gate, they constantly letting this gate swing out and come back here and slam. And if it's a windy day, which it was when it failed, it just cracked. And I tried to salvage it as much as I could, but got to the point it just couldn't hold up anymore. So ended up buying a new one, getting it, I already just installed it. So now I'm gonna install this little item here. Very important to have. So if you have a vinyl gate, you need to install one of these. All right, it's very important. It'll protect your gate from failing like mine did. So I'm just gonna install this right here. It's very easy to do. Line it up, screw it in, and what it does, it protects that gate from when it swings, comes in, and especially as a violent wind, this will absorb that impact so it doesn't end up cracking your gate. So I just want to share that with you. I'm gonna install this real quick. If you're looking for something like this and need something like this, again, a link will be provided below. It is affiliate, it does support this channel, and I greatly appreciate it. So let me get this installed and we'll keep it moving. Okay, so I'm gonna get this installed now. It's very easy to do. You're just gonna line it up, of course, and try to get it screwed in. Now, I suggest to have the gate closed, and if you have it closed, you hear that little back and forth right there. Hope that you can hear that. All right, what you wanna do, what I'm doing, I'm trying to get that sweet spot. All right, I don't want it too far back because if it slams, before this engages, it's gonna slam into the lock. So I'm gonna try to push that a little forward, but I don't want it too forward because I wanna be able to, when the gate swings, it's able to lock automatically. So, I'm gonna just put it up here and you're gonna try to swing your gate back and forth and try to estimate that little sweet spot a little after when it engages, but before it hits the end of the lock. So let me get that going. And I hope that makes sense to you guys. All right, I'm gonna have to move this camera out of the way and try to get this installed, so stand by. Pretty much right there. Okay guys, I have to apologize. My mic went dead, so I'm gonna have to just put a quick voice overlay. As you can see right here, right now, I have my little level just to line it up, just to get it nice and leveled and plumb before I screw it in. Very important, you want this to be installed properly because you don't want it to pre-engage the gate before it have opportunity to close, and you want it to be in the right position before it actually engaged the back of the lock as I demonstrated early on. Also have some pencil so you could keep it lined up. And again, you're just gonna put 2 screws in. Now, take your time, very easy to do. Having a power drill to screw these screws in makes it much easier to go in. Also, if you have an extra pair of hands, that will be good also. In this case, I'm working by myself. As you can see, I'm able to do it by myself, as most of the projects are done by me and only by me. So that's it. In this section here, as you know, when I'm putting it on this side of the gate, within this vinyl gate, there is some pressure treated wood. So that's why I decided to go on this type of way or this installation. All right. I will recommend to probably pre-drill this if you do have some wood within your post, because it might be tough to go in with an ordinary screwdriver. In this case, I started with my drill. I had to back it off and get my impact drill to get the screw to go all the way in. But again, work with the tools you have, pre-drill it if you have to, and that's pretty much it. So very easy to do. A must-have if you have a vinyl gate system. All right. So let's keep this moving. Okay, and as I'm continuing, as you can see, I'm pre-drilling the bottom hole. Still using my level to make sure I'm lined up properly. All right, again, pre-drilling is very important, especially where there's a 4x4 beam within this post. So pre-drill is very important so you don't end up snapping your screws. And once you got it pre-drilled, just simply just go back and install those screws and you should be good. All right. Guys, again, this is a must installation for your vinyl gates. All right, because it will protect it from failing up in the locking, where the lock intersects. All right, so I hope that makes sense. And that's pretty much it. Any questions, any comments, any suggestions, please hit me below. And again, these parts will be listed below, affiliate links that does support this channel. And again, this is the final look of it. It's going to do its job. It's going to send me $500 in the future, hopefully, for that impact. And again, have it lined up before it hits the back of the lock. That's very important, because if you don't do that, it's a waste. Later.